One of the things I learned after all my years in the restaurant business, an organized kitchen is a functional kitchen. So if you can find fun things to organize your kitchen with, you'll keep things exactly where you need them, in place to find them every time. So here's some of my great ideas to organize your kitchen. Wonderful things that are for dry goods that seal and lock. I love these because no matter what you put in and no matter how you pick it up, it's not going to spill out. Beautiful glass containers from Anchor Hocking. These stack, which is really fun. And so for an area in your kitchen that you want to see what you've got, there's your idea. This is great for drawers. If you've got a big drawer, this piece slides out. It will fit so many things in just one drawer. But if you have sort of those odd-shaped drawers, find little containers like this. You can decide how many and which ones you want and what will fit best for your drawer. Keep your kitchen organized, and it will really make a big difference.